And the elliptical at home. Cockatoo. Am I annoying you? I annoy you sometimes because I'm talking to you like this. Yes, the time goes by very quick when you're snorting like cockatoo dust. You wanted to come over here and you knew I was going to annoy you. Now what do you expect? He's like, get alive. How do I get off? Misha, I have almost 30 minutes. Are you ready to get off? This is pretty fucking boring, isn't it? Oh, you're gonna get on my shoulder. Oh, if you bite my face, I'll be super pissed. Yeah. You're like, oh, you just gave me an idea. What? Seriously, I don't like you hissing so close to my face. I only have one face. Oh. If you poop on me, I'll also be kind of pissed off. I'll be super pissed if you bite my face. Oh, okay, you're gonna pick my nose. Yeah, picking my nose as I use the elliptical at home. No, don't drink my spit, that's pretty gross, it'll make you sick. Picking my nose isn't very healthy either. Okay, are you ready to get onto your tree stand? You're like, yeah, let me off of here. Here, step right here. No, step off of me, please. Whoops. Oh, here. Oh, sorry. There you go. Good bird.